Welcome to Scented Palette. Today we are going to make 2 kg French fries with just 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Wash and peel your potatoes and cut them in even-sized wedges. Do not make slices thin as they will crisp up all the way through. Now wash off the starch 3 times in water. They will not crisp up if any starch or moisture is left. Leave them for a while in a mesh or basket to drain them properly. Then air dry them until no moisture is left. Now let's make the seasoning. Salt, ginger garlic, paprika powder, chaat masala, black pepper, cumin powder. Mix it well. Now there are 2 ways to go about it. First is the pre-seasoning method. First you drizzle 3 tablespoons of oil, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of the seasoning. Mix it so that the seasoning is evenly coated. Place the wedges side by side on a lined tray or a grill. Then there is the post-seasoning method. Just coat your potatoes with oil and lay them side by side on a lined tray or a grill. Grill is better because the potatoes receive heat underneath through the grill, which reduces both the cooking and crisping time. Sprinkle your seasoning on the upward side. Prepare your oven at 300 degrees. Bake your fries until they turn brown towards the edges. This will take between 25 to 35 minutes depending on the size of your oven. Potatoes are cooked by this time, so give it a taste test. Adjust your seasoning and turn over the wedges one by one. In case of a post-seasoning batch, give it a taste test at this point as well. You will easily guess if your spices need to be adjusted. Turn them over. Sprinkle salt and spices if required. It will take about 20 minutes in air fryer. Shuffle them after each interval of 10 minutes until you think they are to your satisfaction. Otherwise, place them back in the oven until they crisp up at the long edges. Once you try making French fries in this way, you will realize that they taste much better than the oil-fried version. Baking gives them a unique, smoky, earthy taste, which gives them an edge over the fully fried ones. Now let me show you the final look.